Today I'm trying a new recipe from Amanda Easy Recipes. Crock pot, guacamole, salsa, chicken tacos. So, got my chicken in there, one single layer. I'm gonna add my taco seasoning. And I'm going to add the salsa. Now I'm gonna cook for 6 hours. Okay, and you can use just a taco mix, but this is my recipe that I used for any taco seasoning that I need. And after 6 hours, we're gonna shred this and add it to tacos. Okay, it's all shredded. Ready to taste test.
I'm going to eat it all up.
Looks good, huh? Smells good. Yummy?